Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Hope you all are vaccinated and being cautious as well. I'm Dr. Tulika Jha, Clinical Secretary of the Bengal Obs and Gynae Society, and I welcome you all to the preliminary round of the BOGS round of the FOXY Dr. Usha Krishna Quiz 2021. This quiz is a much awaited event of our academic calendar and undoubtedly one of the most enjoyable. But the pandemic has changed the ground situation, and therefore, this year we have had to organize this preliminary round virtually. We have 21 teams from various medical colleges who have registered, and the four top teams will move on to the final round. The final round, though, fingers crossed, will be held physically at our society office, which is Pratishruti, next Friday, April 23rd from 1 p.m. The quiz master for today is none other than Dr. Shevunti Goswami, who is the immediate past chairperson of the FOXY Quiz Committee. But before I invite Dr. Goswami onto the virtual dais, I invite Dr. Vipin Tyagi from Jackson Pal Pharmaceuticals to say a few words. Jackson Pal has been holding online quizzes all over India this year and have been kind enough to lend all the technical support for this event. So thank you, and over to you, Dr. Tyagi. But before that, happy quizzing to all the participants. So Dr. Tyagi, the stage is yours.
Thank you, Dr. Tulika Jha, ma'am. Welcome all to the BOGS round of FOXY Dr. Usha Krishna quiz organized virtually by Bengal Obstetric and Gynecological Society. On behalf of Jackson Pal Pharmaceuticals Limited, pioneers of Dynogest 2 mg tablet formulation as brand Endorec for endometriosis associated pelvic pain, Lycored Trek sachet of DHA and lycopene to avoid pregnancy complications, and injection maintain 500 mg and 250 mg 17 alpha hydroxy progesterone caproate. I'm Dr. Vipin Tyagi along with my teammates Dr. Deepika Chhabra and Mr. Arvind Singh and Mr. Amit Saxena. We begin the proceedings today with the blessings of all the office bearers of BOGS. Dr. Bhaskar Pal, President, Dr. Ram Prasad Dey, Honorary Secretary, Dr. Tulika Jha, Honorary Clinical Secretary, Dr. Sita Ramamurthy Pal, Honorary Joint Clinical Secretary, and Dr. Shevunti Goswami, FOXY Chairperson Quiz Committee. Managing Committee members, Dr. Chetali Datta Ray, Dr. Shushmita Chattopadhyay, and Dr. Mariam Khanam. All the best for the competition to all the participating teams, and a warm welcome to all attendees who are present with us today to boost the morale of the participant and witness this unique academic competition. Also, please be informed that we have built in special interaction for attendees so that the attendees can also participate by way of a special quiz. Attendees will also have an opportunity to win Amazon gift voucher to be provided by Jackson Pal Pharma sales team to the winners. This quiz will be on Kahoot app. You need to download and install Kahoot app to participate. PIN for joining will be provided as we begin the special quiz for attendees. Input your mobile number as nickname to participate in the quiz. You will need good internet connectivity to participate in the quiz, in the Kahoot quiz. Keep your professional ID card handy to display in case you win the quiz. Please note, this quiz session is streaming on Facebook Live and the recording will remain on Jackson Pal's YouTube channel for reference and promotion. I will now request Dr. Tulika Jha ma'am for further proceedings.
And before I call upon Dr. Ram Prasad Dey, the Honorary Secretary of BOGS, I would just like to rectify one thing. Shevunti is the chairperson of the quiz committee. Actually, since the term has been prolonged, but she's the chairperson of the quiz committee and not the immediate past chairperson. She's still the chairperson of the FOXY quiz committee. Sorry, Shevunti, for that small error. So now over to Dr. Ram Prasad Dey. Ram.
Yes, thank you, Dr. Tulika. Good afternoon, everybody. On behalf of the Bengal Obstetrics and Gynecological Society, I welcome you all to this FOXY Usha Krishna quiz of our society round, the BOGS round. And from this society round, these were the winners, particularly the first and second teams, will be going to participate in the East Zone Yuva Foxy. And this year East Zone Yuva Foxy will be going to held on Siliguri in the month of June. I hope whether it will be physical or virtual, not yet decided. And subsequently, the East Zone winner will be participate into the Foxy quiz main competition in the Usha Krishnan quiz in the in between the 19th to 13th of January of 22 at Indore. We have so many participants and best wishes from BOGS that for their participants. And we are fortunate enough to have with us today's quiz master, Dr. Shravanti Goswami. He is also from our society managing committee member, as well as the Foxy quiz committee chairperson. Along with, we have a good quiz master team heading by Dr. Tulika Jha, Sita Ramtipal, Dr. Chaitali Dattarai, Susmita Chakravarty, and Mariam Khanam. And we are forced to do this quiz in this virtual platform. And last year, we also not been able to do our quiz round, not only for our round, but also the East Zone and as well as the All India round because of this pandemic. Otherwise, most of these times, this quiz happens physically, and which I can remember for the last few years, it is usually going to happen in the SS Chems auditorium and the pathology building. And then all the quiz masters also have the different presentations also. We have missed all these things of physical gatherings. Still, we will continue. Again, once again, best wishes to all the participants, our PGPs mainly, and also after that, the viewers, they will participate also. Thank you once again, all of you. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, over to Sita.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Ramprasad Dev, for that welcome address. And before we start on to the main preliminary quiz, it will be my pleasure to introduce my dear friend, Dr. Shravanti Goswami. She's a consultant gynecologist, Kolkata, former associate professor of medical college, has number of publications and chapters to her credit in national and international journals. And as we've heard, she's the grand quiz master and is the chairperson quiz committee of Foxy right now. A special interest in vaginal surgery and cosmetic gynecology. We've had pleasures of participating in all quizzes that she has organized. So over to you, Shravanti. All the best participants and happy quizzing.
Thank you, Sita, for the kind introduction. So thank you for giving me the pleasure and opportunity to conduct this preliminary rounds of the BOGS level quiz. Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you, Sita, for the kind introduction. Now, we have been having the dry run for the last 1 hour, courtesy Jackson Pal, and to the efforts taken by Dr. Deepika Chhabra. By now, the quiz participants are more or less well versed with this Kahoot, I hope, but still it is customary to brush up the rules once more, and here we go with that. The topic, as we all know this time, is critical care in obstetrics. It is actually a very favorite topic of our current Foxy president, Dr. Alpesh Gandhi. Now, the rules of the quiz on Kahoot. This is the first time we are doing an online quiz in our BOGS platform. All the teams need to be ready with a mobile and a laptop. Please be ready with only one mobile per team. Do not log on from 2 mobiles in one team. Secondly, they will have to join the Zoom platform, which I'm sure they have already joined, through the attendees link, which was provided to them through the mail. All the teams need to download the Kahoot app in their mobile from the Play Store, which I'm sure they must have downloaded by now. Now, a game pin for Kahoot will be displayed on the Zoom. Please enter that in the area of the pin. They have already been given a unique identification number, and they need to put the same number in the Kahoot in the place of the name after entering the pin. Please do not put your name. Please do not put your mobile number. Then you will not be able to play the game. See the questions in the laptop and answer on your mobile in the Kahoot app. All the questions will be MCQ type, and you need to choose the answer according to the color bar or the color coding. Time allotted to answer each question is 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, automatically that question is going to fly off. For each question, the team that gives the correct answer first will be considered as the winner. And as we have seen in the dry run, that how the leaderboards gives us the score at the end. And like any other quiz, as you know, it's the quiz master's decision which is final. So all the best to all of you. Enjoy the online quiz, enjoy Kahooting. So chalo, let's go. I'll stop sharing. And Deepika, now it's your fingers which are going to walk.
My teammate from the digital team, Mr. Amit Saxena, is going to play out the quiz and Dr. Sibanti is going to speak out the question. Please enter the PIN number provided right now into your Kahoot app. The quiz participants of box quiz. Please enter this PIN number 6645326. Only the box nickname, only those with the box nickname will be entering. So the audience will not be able to play this game. The audience will be able to play another special quiz which will be at the end of this quiz. So audience, please refrain from joining this Kahoot quiz. Amit, will you please start removing the non-box? Yeah. So hopefully one team member has logged in and we have 16 teams which are now going to be playing out of 21. We are expecting 3 more teams to join in. There were 19 earlier. No, not Jilmil. No. Yes, correct. Yeah.
I think all of them has joined.
Neelam has to be removed.
15, 16, 17, 18. We have 18.
18 we have, 19 we have, 20, 21, 22.
POGS 433 in small letters.
Who has written this? 433.
And 16 is not there, I think.
433. Is that Jagrati Pandey or Biswajit Meena? Do you
Please
want to
do not
speak
put
up?
your name or mobile number. You will not be
Please
allowed.
speak up. 423.
433.
423 has raised her hand.
423 is okay, Deepika. 433 has written BOGS in small letters and capital letters missed, which is not the unique identification code.
Right.
BOGS 433, please chat or write down why you have written it like this. This is not the unique identification. So starting off, countdown 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Cardiac output change in pregnancy. It's 10 to 20% increase, 30 to 60% increase, 30 to 60% decrease, or no change. Give the answer on your Kahoot app. The color which matches with the correct answer.
Ma'am, next question.
Yeah, next question. Next question. Next question. Functional residual capacity in pregnancy. What happens to that? There is no change. It's increased by 10%. It decreases by 20% or increases by 30 to 40%. Okay, the correct answer was third. It decreases by 20%. Move on to the third question, please. In cases of TTP, thrombotic thrombocytopenic purpura, what type of cells can be usually seen on the bloodstream? Is it cystocytes, stomatocytes, drepanocytes, or poikilocytes? Which type of cells can be seen on the blood film? Well, the correct answer was cystocytes. Next question. Which is not among the three crucial delays associated with elevated rate of maternal mortality? Delay in seeking healthcare, delay in perception of quickening, delay in reaching a healthcare facility, or delay in obtaining appropriate care on admission. Which one of these four are not? Yes. So the answer is delay in perception of quickening is not. It's delay in seeking care, delay in reaching care, delay in getting care. These three are the delays which are responsible for maternal mortality. So let's move on to the next question. Neurogenic shock results from impairment of descending parasympathetic pathways, descending sympathetic pathways, ascending parasympathetic pathways, ascending sympathetic pathways. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is descending sympathetic pathways. Okay, next question. Open fetal surgery can be performed for all of the following except meningomyelocele, sacrococcygeal teratoma, twin-to-twin transmission syndrome, and lower urinary tract obstruction. Deepika, please see what Sita has written in the chat box. Open fetal surgery, yeah, it cannot be performed in twin-to-twin transfusion syndrome. So that's the correct answer. Immobilization in case of suspected spinal injury should be carried out in a pregnant woman in which position? Is it left lateral position with left hip elevated and uterus displaced manually? Is it right lateral position with right hip elevated and the uterus displaced manually? Neutral position with left hip elevated and uterus displaced manually? Or neutral position with right hip elevated and uterus displaced manually? So the right answer was the neutral position with right hip elevated and the uterus displaced manually. Next. Blood volume change in pregnancy. What happens to the blood volume change in pregnancy? Does it decrease by 30 to 40%, increase by 30 to 40%, increase by 50 to 60%, or increase only by 10 to 20%? Which one is the correct response? Well, maximum have given the correct response. It increases by 30 to 40%. The score is coming very fast. Who is the Foxy quiz named after? Let's see. Dr. Usha Krishna, Dr. Usha Krishna Murthy, Dr. Krishna Rani Sinha, or Dr. Usha Rani Sinha. Such a nice juggling of names. This is the easiest question of the quiz, but the toughest if you haven't seen the name of the quiz. So it's Dr. Usha Krishna. I maximum have said rightly, but one has said wrongly. Okay. Next question. Commonest cause of acute kidney injury in the context of preeclampsia. Is it HUS? Is it HALLP? Is it AFLP? Or is it PRES? We have deliberately kept these acronyms and not written the names. Hope all of you know these acronyms because these are internationally acclaimed acronyms. And let's see how you answer. Yes, it is HELP, and maximum have correctly answered the question. What is the Foxy journal called? Even this is a very easy question with a tough answer. Foxy Journal of India, Journal of Obstetrics and Gynecology of India, Obstetrics and Gynecology Journal of India, or Indian Journal of FOGSI? Well, maximum have attempted correctly. It's a Journal of Obstetrics and Gynecology of India. If you remember it as Jogi, then you can remember the entire name. Next.
Amit, keep the leaderboard on. Thodi se der na, so then
In
they
cases
know.
of meconium-stained amniotic fluid, routine endotracheal suctioning is recommended for which infants? Vigorous infants, non-vigorous infants, apneic infants, or is it not recommended at all? Which one? In which infant are you going to do routine endotracheal suctioning in case of meconium-stained amniotic fluid? It's not recommended. Maximum have answered that only. Routine endotracheal suctioning is not recommended if there is meconium staining of amniotic fluid. So next question. Respiratory rate in pregnancy. What happens to the respiratory rate in pregnancy? It doesn't change. It increases by 20%. It decreases by 20%, or decreases in the early pregnancy and increases in late pregnancy. What happens to the respiratory rate in pregnancy? Does it at all change? Does it increase? Does it decrease? Or it behaves differently in different trimesters? This is a very tough question actually. People feel that respiratory rate increases. Actually, there is no change in the respiratory rate. There is hyperventilation, no doubt, but there is no change in the respiratory rate. And this is very well mentioned in all the textbooks. Can we go over to the next question? All are true about acid-base equilibrium in pregnancy, except, answer carefully, increased bicarbonate threshold, partial pressure of carbon dioxide decreases, progesterone stimulates the respiratory center, there is increased sensitivity of the chemoreflex center to carbon dioxide. All are true. Which one is not true? Mark that. Yeah. So actually the bicarbonate threshold doesn't increase, it decreases in the pregnancy. Still maximum have given the correct answer. 6. 15th question, no? Woman on leflunomide for rheumatoid arthritis should delay conception for how long after it is stopped? No need to delay, they can start immediately. They give a gap of 6 months. They can start after 1 year or after 2 years. With more and more women attempting pregnancy in the later years of life, we are getting patients who have got this rheumatoid arthritis and autoimmune disorders. So how long should they delay conception after their drug has been stopped? The answer is 2 years. Not a very good response. 2 years. All are common complications of regional analgesia, except fever, neurologic injuries, breakthrough pain, hypertension. All the postgraduates are very familiar with regional analgesia. We use it for all the sections, almost all the sections nowadays. So which one is not a complication? Fever, breakthrough pain, neurologic injury, and hypertension. Which one is not? Yeah. The right answer has the least response, least correct response. It's a 13 is the mean. Everybody thinks the fever will not occur, and everybody thinks that the neurologic injury is going to occur because it's in the spinal cord. So move on to the next question. Which part of the lung is most commonly involved in the aspiration during aspiration-induced pneumonia, by chemical pneumonia? right upper lobe, right lower lobe, left upper lobe, left lower lobe. If you remember the anatomy, it's easy to answer this question correctly. Right upper, right lower, left upper, left lower. Which one is most commonly involved in the aspiration-induced chemical pneumonia? It's the right lower lobe, because the right bronchus is more straight and the chemical components, they go down straight into the right lower lobe. So I said, if you know the anatomy, you will be able to answer. Next question. Well, how long can hemodialysis be withheld after delivery if the serum potassium and fluid status are satisfactory? 12 to 24 hours, 24 to 48 hours, 48 to 72 hours, or it cannot be withheld at all. We get renal transplant patients who are on hemodialysis during pregnancy. So how long can you withhold the hemodialysis during delivery, in the peri-delivery period, if the serum potassium and fluid status is satisfactory? So the answer is 24 to 48 hours. Nineteenth question. Which of these immunosuppressants used after organ transplantation is contraindicated during pregnancy? I said we are getting many patients with pregnancy following renal transplantation, and they are on these drugs. So which one is contraindicated? Tacrolimus, mycophenolate mofetil, cyclosporin, azathioprine. You must be knowing which one to discontinue before she gets pregnant. She will be on some immunosuppressants in pregnancy, but which one you cannot continue? It is mycophenolate mofetil, which has got teratogenic actions. So you cannot continue that in the pregnant woman. Okay, and coming to the last question. In pregnancy, there is mild respiratory alkalosis, mild respiratory acidosis, severe respiratory acidosis, or no change in the acid-base balance. What is your choice? Obviously, the answer is mild respiratory alkalosis, because with such a lot of hyperventilation, the carbon dioxide is going to be washed out. Okay, so I think we come to the end of the preliminary round of Usha Krishna quiz of the BOGS of Usha Krishna, BOGS level Usha Krishna quiz. The names are popping up. I leave here and hand over to the office bearers to carry on the proceedings. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Shebonti. That was very interesting. The questions were really close and interesting ones. I'm sure the participants also enjoyed answering the questions. So do we have the winners, Deepika?
3 winners,
Yes,
I could
ma'am.
see. The fourth one.
Yes, ma'am. We have the 4th and 5th winner also. 4th winner is 428, and the 5th winner, Amit, did you, Vipin? Dr. Vipin?
We do not
Yes,
need
ma'am.
the 5th one. No,
Yeah,
Deepika?
we need
We
only
don't
need
four.
the 5th
We need
one.
only
We
Yeah,
first
need the
so we
first
need
4.
only 4. So
Only
I
first
have
4.
all the 4. I
You
just
can
send
send
it across to Dr.
Okay.
Tulika.
Yeah.
So till then, I think Dr. Tyagi, you will show the video later. So I think at the end of the quiz, do you want to say something, Dr. Tyagi and Deepika?
Ma'am, we will be displaying our product video right now.
Okay.
So
Till we get the names proper, and we have the nicknames over here, but we need the names proper of the teams. Till then, there'll be a video on the screen, and just wait a bit with your bated breaths.
Congratulations all the teams. They have performed well in this Foxy Usha Krishna's of BOGS round. Now, still as we have a final rounds, and this is the customary final rounds, we take 4 teams usually. So I announce from the
From
this
fourth
4
to
team.
first.
Yes, from
Fourth to first.
yes, I am announced from 4th to 1st. Yes, that is why I am telling. So is the 4th team who is going to participate as a final round in the 23rd. That is the Dr. Oishaya Bhattacharya and Dr. Gokul Raman Chandra from Medical College. Yes, the code number is BOGS 428. Congratulations, Dr. Aishwarya and Dr. Gokul, for the qualifying. You have qualified as a 4th group team in our BOGS final round. Tulika, can you hear me?
Yes, you're absolutely clear.
So the 3rd team is Dr. Surya Basak and Dr. Sadia Najnin, again from Medical College. This they are going to participate as a 3rd team in the BOGS final round. Their code number is BOGS 427. Again, the 2nd team, again from the Medical College, Dr. Lothika SS and Dr. Mandira Rai, again from the Medical College. They are going to participate in as a 2nd team. Congratulations to both of you. And the 1st team, can you guess? Hello?
Yeah, no, we can't. Surprise.
Because you have seen the sports sheet. So that 1st team is again from Tulika.
Arjikar.
Yes. It's
That is
from
why
the
Tulika is
Medical
not.
College. That is Jukabin Kamal and Dr. Priyanka Kumari.
And both
So
are my
again,
PGTs.
Both
Oh,
of you
very
have
nice.
PGTs.
Yeah, they are my PGTs
So I
first
hope,
years.
yes, thank you.
What is
The
the code
guide.
number?
Also, congratulations to the guide. Also, their
426.
code number is yes, BOGS 426. 426. Though they are not 420. Yes, this is the 426. So congratulations all the teams, particularly the winners team, and also those who have participated. They also scored very high. Also, I again also congratulated all of them. But as our customary, with the 4 team will join. Yes.
Deepika, can you upgrade them to the faculty?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I am what to Tulika? Yes. So I think the result is clear, Tulika. Yes.
Yes, the result
Yes.
is
So,
clear.
ma'am, we would like to speak to them. So I'm just upgrading them. 415. Both the teams I cannot see. Both the participants. Amit, have you upgraded them? No, 428 has been upgraded. 428 is 4th. Rank 4th is 428. They have been upgraded.
Yeah.
They can speak and they can also be seen. You can put
Yeah,
on your
you can
video
put on
also.
your
Yes.
Put on your
Yes.
video.
Aishwarya
Please put
and
on your
Gokul,
video.
put on your videos also. And
Aishwarya
unmute
and
yourself.
Gokul, please put on your video.
So that we can see.
Oh,
Yes, yes,
hello.
yes,
We can see both of them. Congratulations, both of you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Surya and Sadia.
Zuka, Priyanka, congratulations. Congratulations to all of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes.
All thanks to you. All thanks to you
Arre,
and everyone.
nahi.
Thanks for being so supportive and encouraging, ma'am.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Acha, was I being called because of you to the principal's office?
Maybe we were without a mask. We
Don't
were
say that.
Till
Don't say that.
they had just lowered their mask for a bit and they got caught by the MSVP sir and principal sir and they got a scolding.
Have all of them joined?
So, ma'am, all of them have joined. 4 teams
Okay,
are
very
here.
nice, very
So,
nice.
Yes.
Deepika, when should they be coming to Pratisruti on that day?
By 1, definitely, by 1 o'clock.
Okay. And we are going to start the main quiz at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, but all the ground rules and all, you'll be explaining them. There'll be an arrangement for a small lunch. So they can come and enjoy that and then we'll start the quiz at 2.
So this is what we wanted to tell them, that you please come at 1 o'clock and get yourself registered. I know the ground rules and on. We are going to start at 2. That doesn't mean that you are going to come at 2. Please be a little bit earlier. That helps, to reduce the adrenaline rush.
And this
So-
time, since we'll be webcasting it, so we are trying to do that. So there'll be a few technical issues to be sorted out. So I think be there by 1. Another thing is, amongst you, whoever is not a BOGS member, please become a member in the coming week. Okay. So that is mandatory for the final round. So you can go for an online membership, or you can become a member on that day before
On that day,
we start
yes.
the quiz. Yes. If you want to do it physically, then come a bit earlier and get it done that day itself. Okay. And you can do it online. It's quite easy. So no problem, I think, for that. So I think we are done here before the attendees quiz start. Deepika, anything else? Shravunti?
No. Anything else you would like to tell them? No.
No.
Mostly we have tell
So
everything.
So which
Yeah.
colleges they are? Please.
3
let's have a
from
list.
Medical College, 1 from RG Kar. Where were
RG
you sleeping, Shushmita?
I am here, but
I-
it's all going
You
a
didn't
bit
see
in a
Tulika
rush.
smile when the first. Oh, one more thing I would like to tell the teams that
Yeah.
Ram Prasad announced the results at 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, but this marks is not going to be carried over to the final quiz. Be
Yes,
sure
yes.
about that.
Mm.
That is why take yourselves as the 4 teams and come, on the
Equal.
same time.
Same,
And
same
the
platform.
topic will be again critical care in obstetrics.
Obstetrics, we are going to have 7 rounds on that day of different types. We are going to tell you that on that day only. Till then, let it be a suspense.
So let's have a show of hands of which college is which team, because when Ram announced, he announced only the numbers.
No. I have already now announced the name and the college.
No,
And
my
let
then
me
dear,
say,
but that time they were not
415.
on the screen. We couldn't
Ah.
see them.
415,
yes.
please raise your hands and
You can
introduce
talk,
yourselves.
yeah, talk and introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am. We are from Medical College. I'm Mandira Roy and I'm Lotika.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
See you on
426. 426.
Yeah.
You know that this is RG Kar 426.
अरे video
You
चला
have to
गया.
see the face and of this quiz master and understand.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Zuka Bint Kamal. My name is Priyanka Kumari, and we are from RG Kar Medical College.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. 427.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Sadia Nazneen.
I'm Soumya Bosa.
We are from Medical College.
Okay, welcome.
Again, congratulations.
Congratulations.
See you on
And-
23rd.
428.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
I'm Dr. Aishwarya Bhattacharya. He is Dr. Gokul Ramachandra. We are from Kolkata Medical College as well.
Congratulations to all of you. And I think we've come to the end of this part of the program. And Sita, I would like to invite you to deliver the vote of thanks.
So that brings us to an end of a very exciting online quiz. I think all of us have had real fun. Witnessing this, the participants taking part. So be ready to get participate in the online audience quiz that's going to happen. So before that, let me thank in person, of course, our quiz master, Shevanti, who's done a beautiful job by doing and is an expert in this online quiz. And of course, our BOGS team with Sushmita Chaitalidi, who's not here in person, but has contributed a lot. Our president, of course, Dr. Bhaskar Pal, Honorary Secretary, Ram Prasad De, and Dr. Tulika Jha, with yours truly, who have all had fun assimilating the questions and putting all this together. And but this could not have been done with the help of Jackson Pal, Dr. Deepika Chabra, who so beautifully and so very well popularized this whole Kahoot app for quiz, with her entire team of Dr. Vipin Chabra and Dr. Amit. So thank you all once again. A big thanks to all the participants who have come in huge numbers, despite your on duties and taking part with interest. All of you all are actually our winners, but obviously, as we all know, the first 4 have to go into the finals. And a big thank you to all the attendees who are going to be participating, I hope, in the audience quiz. So thank you once again, and see you all online, of course, with the participants in person on 23rd. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot, ma'am. And before we start off with the quiz, I would like to request all the faculty and the participants of this quiz. Everybody can participate in the Jackson Pal special quiz now for attendees. So we are starting it off. Please enter the game pin for this Jackson Pal special quiz for attendees. So all the best to all of you. We start with the Jackson Pal special quiz. There are going to be 5 Amazon gift vouchers on it. The people with the best correct answer, the fastest correct answer, the first 5 doctors, they will be getting a Amazon gift card of 500 rupees each. So Dynogest is an effective treatment for endometriosis due to its anti-androgenic properties, its anti-proliferative properties, its anti-angiogenic properties, or all of the above. Please tick the right answer. You have 30 seconds to go, and we already have 32 answers. So the correct answer for this would be all of the above: anti-androgenic, anti-proliferative, and anti-angiogenic properties. So this is our leaderboard showing the leader in this. Next question. Use of mifepristone 25 mg in patients is beneficial for, as it maintains the estradiol levels in early to mid follicular phase. It helps in the management of uterine fibroids. It exhibits progesterone antagonistic activity, or all of the above. Please put the correct answer in your Kahoot app. Mifepristone 25 mg tablet. So 40 answers, all of the above. So we see the leaderboard. Okay, next question is, Dynogest belongs to which generation of progesterone? Is it first, second, third, or fourth? The correct answer, Amit, we can go to the answer? No. So we have 40 answers. 42, 40. Everybody's answered that. 28 say that it is fourth generation. That's the correct answer. Next. (17-alpha hydroxyprogesterone is indicated for threatened miscarriage, maintenance of pregnancy, habitual abortion, or endometriosis. Maintain injection 500 and 250 as 17-alpha hydroxyprogesterone caproate. So is it being used for maintenance of pregnancy, for threatened miscarriage, habitual abortions, or endometriosis? So we have a mix of all. Okay. A combination of L-arginine, lycopene, and DHA, which is available in this sachet, is helpful for high-risk pregnancy, IUGR, preeclampsia, or all of the above. Combination of L-arginine, lycopene, and DHA is helpful for the orange flavored sachet. So we have the correct answer as all of the above. And we go to the next. Next question is, for how long can Dynogest be taken safely? What is the maximum duration that Dynogest tablet can be given? 2 mg tablet for endometriosis. For how long can it be given? The safety of Dynogest tablet 2 mg. Is it for 6 months, 1 year, 3 years, or 5 years? For how long can it be given continuously without any safety concerns? The answer actually is 5 years. Most of the people are not aware of this. So we have the podium for the Jackson Falls special quiz, in which we have the winners, and we will be announcing the winners by, first we promote them. And the runner-up also, we need to have the runners-up. Amit, we need the runners-up. 4th and 5th also. So these were the 2 difficult questions. 17-alpha hydroxyprogesterone, correct answers. Amit, we can have the result score sheet over here. Can we have the result score sheet over here? Everybody has seen their names, their mobile numbers. Please put up your hand. Those are the winners. We'll be promoting them over here. So Dr. Jagruti is the rank number 5. She was in the box quiz also. So congratulations. You are the 4th winner, Dr. Kavita.
Thank you, ma'am.
We will be speaking to all of you about you, where you are from and all, which city. So we can start first with Jagruti Pandey.
Yes,
Please tell a little about yourself, ma'am, and then Dr. Kavita will tell.
Yes, I'm Dr. Jagruti Pandey. I'm 2nd year PGT in Obs and Gynae, Midnapur Medical College, West Bengal. And it was a great honor and it was a great opportunity to participate in this quiz. It was very enlightening and thank you for the opportunity.
Congratulations to you, Dr. Jagruti. Dr. Kavita. Yes,
ma'am. Good evening, all of you. Thank you for the opportunity. And I am assistant professor from AIIMS Rishikesh.
Assistant professor from?
In the Department of Obs and Gynae, AIIMS Rishikesh.
AIIMS Rishikesh. Oh, we have people from across India joining over here. Congratulations to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay. Now we have the 3rd person who is, I'll just be calling up. Okay, Dr. Sangeeta, please, can we have a little bit about you?
Myself, Dr. Sangeeta Roy. I am 2nd year PGT from RG Kar Medical College.
Yes, congratulations to you, Dr. Shweta Mishra.
Ma'am, I've done my MBBS and PG from RIMS Ranchi, and at present I'm working as a gynecologist in Indian Oil Refinery Hospital in Begusarai.
And at number 1 is, of course, our Dr. Sushmita. I need not call you ma'am, but then as
Thank you very much.
Ma'am, please do introduce yourself.
I am Dr. Sushmita Chattopadhyay and I'm one of the consultants. I work in Kolkata and I'm one of the quiz masters of the Boxy quiz. And Dr. Shevanti Goswami is a very good friend and would be very proud of me that I won this quiz. And it means
seeing you speak.
Shevanti basically means that I have not lost my competitive streak at this age and my fingers work still very fast. So I am just proud to say, not because I won this quiz, but I'm happy that my fingers work fast enough, better than the little girls there.
And it's coordinated with your brain, no?
Yes, everything at this age.
Farhana Dewan, I am from Bangladesh.
Okay.
Actually, I logged in. My number, I think you saw a different number that was 01711
yes,
like
we
that.
We did.
Actually, I answered I tried to answer. When I clicked, I didn't understand whether they took the click or not. So I think
your
there was some
answer
problem.
has been coming. The problem is that you were logged in, but then your internet was slow, or there was a lag. Or probably there was a lag. There could have been a lag.
Thank you so much.
We said internet connection has to be very good.
Okay.
Right.
Thank you.
So we keep having these kind of quizzes, and in case you get another opportunity, please do join us. So my teammate here, Dr. Vipin Tyagi, he's going to be just thanking everybody across here. So over to you, Dr. Vipin, and then we close this
Deepika,
program.
before I leave, I do not know how much to thank you for your, days together with us, with Foxy, and now with my own society, BOGS. Without your help, we would have been in a mess, because we thought of doing this physical quiz only as a prelims, as we do it every year. But suddenly when our president, Dr. Bhaskar Paul, called me and told that Shevanti won't be able to do this prelims with 21, 24 teams, and physically, I didn't know what to do at that time, because at that time I framed all the questions, in a subjective manner. but then only your face came to my mind. That we are
Thank you so much for remembering us, ma'am. Jackson Pal is always at your disposal. Please do remember us whenever.
Sure. Thank you very much, and I leave.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you very much, Deepika from
Thank
BOGS
you.
also.
Thank you.
Thank you. Jackson Pal brings to you Endorac 2mg tablets. Jackson Pal Pharma pioneers the tablet formulation of Dynogest 2mg as our brand Endorac for medical management of suspected and confirmed cases of endometriosis and for EAPP, that is endometriosis associated pelvic pain. Lycorette sachet of L-arginine, DHA and lycopene to avoid pregnancy complications and injection maintain 500 mg and 250 mg. 17 alpha hydroxyprogesterone caproate. My teammates, Dr. Deepika Chabra, Mr. Arvind Singh, and Mr. Amit Saxena join me, Dr. Vipin, to thank all faculty, participants, and attendees. We hope to go a long way in knowledge sharing with unending support of all the attendees. We hope to see you again in our next webinar on April 25th at 10:30 a.m. on labor and management. Thank you so much.